In this video, we're going to cover packages. Everything centers around your packages, so let's take a look at how to configure them. So we're going to head over to Manage, Packages. On this page, you'll see an overview of all of your packages grouped by type. Let's click the Lux 360 experience. This is probably the most important page in the package management process, so let's go through the most commonly used options. If you head over to Edit General, you'll see you can change the name of your package. Some users choose names like bronze, silver, or gold. Others may prefer something more descriptive like Open Air Photo Booth or Lux 360 Experience. You can also upload the image on the right. This image will show up on your booking page, so be sure to choose something that looks great. And you can either upload a file or you can choose from your media library. And here in the middle, you'll see a description for your package. The description box lets you highlight exactly what's included in the package. When clients are comparing options on the booking page, it's helpful to clearly differentiate what makes each package unique, especially if you want to encourage upgrades to higher tier packages. Below your description, you'll see status options, and you can choose between public, private, or disabled. Public means the package is visible on your booking pages and can be booked by the public. Private, it's available for booking, but it won't show up by default. Disabled, the package is hidden and can't be booked. If someone has the direct link, they'll be redirected to your main booking page. And you'll see package group, which means if you have a package that's not meant for 360 booth, you can move it over here to open air booth, schools, parties, or anywhere you'd like to. Next up is pricing. Head over to Edit Pricing and Scheduling. Here you can change your scheduling mode. You can either go with a minimal look, and automatic slots, which automatically generates and displays available slots for the day and allow customers to choose from your availability. Or predefined slots, define your own custom times and display only the available slots to the customer. Or you can just go with date only. You'll see slot interval, where you can tell the customer how far apart are your slot times. You'll see that you can have a starting rate for a set amount of hours that are included with the package. You can make it taxable, and you can even charge for extra hours. Say you didn't want to do that, or you did, you can charge however much you want for a minimum or maximum amount of extra hours you're willing to work. And you can even choose if you allow booking portions of an hour, and you can change that to 15 minutes, 1 hour. Say they want you to work 4 hours and 15 minutes later. That's where you can choose your increment. And down below that, you'll see charge by unit, where you can charge by unit or by foot, however you would like. ShakeCherry will also tell you that you don't have any pricing tiers defined, and you can click there to add one. And you can add a minimum amount of units to a maximum amount of units and the price per each unit. And below that is a required deposit section. You can either choose a flat rate, a general flat rate deposit amount, or you can do a percentage of the total package amount, or you can require no deposit. And then you can choose your availability, whether this package is available every day of the week, or if it is available every day of the week, but with limited hours. Your earliest start to your latest start, or you can say no. And then that is where you fill out your availability throughout the week. If no one has booked the package yet, you'll see an option to delete the package on the right of your general information. And down at the very bottom, you'll see that you can share a link directly to this package to send however you wish. You can either choose to copy or generate a QR code to send to potential clients. Now let's go back to the package overview. ShakeCherry uses 3 levels of organization. Services at the top level. You'll see services like photo booth or DJ entertainment or even mobile bartending. Editing service type allows you to configure things like whether users are required to select a backdrop, what you call your event staff, overbooking preferences. If you're not a multi-op, you can rename these services or just use a single one. And then we have package groups. These help you organize your packages visually during booking. For example, under photo booth, you might have 360 booth, mirror booth, or open air booth. You can click on the gear icon or the group name itself to edit each group. You'll also see options for how packages are sorted. You can sort them automatically by price, manually, or automatically by name. And that is for each individual one. You can see this one is automatically by price, and this one is automatically by name. You can also duplicate a package. For example, to copy PhotoBooth Premium, click this duplicate tab. And once you do, it'll bring you to an overview of your copied package with copy of premium package. And yes, you see a copy of premium package right here. If you don't want to keep this duplicate, you can set its visibility to either disabled, or you can go back to the copy of the package itself and delete the package. Now that our packages are ready, let's see what the customer will see. Click on Create New at the top right and go to Multi-Step Booking. You'll see all the packages you've created, like Photo Booth, DJ Entertainment, Mobile Bar. Clicking on Photo Booth shows all the packages within that group. 360 booth, mirror booth, open air booth. Here clients can compare packages, see what each includes, and check the base price. From this point, CheckCherry will collect event details and your clients will be booking in no time. And that's how you manage your packages in CheckCherry. If you have any questions at all, feel free to chat with us. Our support team will be glad to help you.